You in a top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man, they tell the chef hurry.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. It has been a while, but today is the last day I'll be having this length of hair. I'll be going to cut my hair today. I'm not nervous. Well, not no. I don't know if I'll become nervous while in the chair or anything. I just washed it this morning, so it kind of shrink up a little bit. So yeah, guys. New look coming to you guys. We haven't posted in like what, 2 months, but we can't explain that right now. So, and yeah. So guys, I'll see you when I reach in the barber shop to get my hair cut.
One girl can share a competition, but then I want to nail a vehicle. Yeah. Nobody is scared when you are. So last time the girl must have this coming up.
What do you think?
No. All something.
Because you're not going to understand it. I didn't understand right now. You're not doing it.
So any song the girl singing bad, hush.
Maybe all it's on the know.
Any song the girl singing bad.
Girl have a voice in that celebrity.
Oh girl, you're trying to think so now, man. Girl, I can't sing.
All you know yesterday come here.
That's it, it's a person.
Price for food.
That church is going to come here. Wait.
Oh, the book.
What do you want to do? Show. What do you want?
But I'm not going to put the assistant in the chat.
Let's ease yourself.
That church is going to have a whole piece of
Yo,
who that?
What's that mean from where?
Aku tiga mu. What? Sila. Morning. Yeah, but you're really walking around. Yeah, we get see her? That's all I got them. Couple weeks I think a couple of years I think they are free. What? Let's see right this house on me. So she for change this number now. Yeah. People are vote for that number they will not
change one when she come. When she forward, she will carry next one.
A 500 and I could even vote with a 55 euro sheet.
5 million.
Saturday. 500 I'm a virgin vote here. After that, I'm telling Tasha Tasha never leave you. But the girl is going to tell her. And she come and Sharky Seafood Festival. I see that much of the place. Yeah, man, Sharky Seafood Festival.
I put some zero in with this trip.
I don't know what they might talk about. I must sit more than that. Sit more than that.
Nice and policeman tell him.
The funny radar.
That we're back in another time. Now we'll put it again. I just want to get rid of dead ends and cute. Like my brother. Okay guys, so this is my final result. I had to put on some lipstick because I try to get used to it look same way. But I think it is cute. I think it kind of fit me. What do you think? So I'm gonna go home and wash it again and put some curls in it. It's very different. I like it. Alright, so I'm getting compliments saying that it fit me I need, so I feel pretty bad. I want to get camera reaction as to what I'm seeing now. I think it's cute. I think it looks like a little bit more mature. Yeah, like I have some errands to run, so I'm going to do all of those. No. Hair still upon me here in my eye. Everything. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a moment. So stay tuned. Alright. So I'm going to visit one of my friends. She works over here, over by Burlington. So I'm going to get her reaction. Kim is up by his workplace. It's kind of far from me walk right now, so I'm gonna drive come down, come meet me and stuff, so I'm gonna get film reaction and thing. And then, hello. Hey, what? Good? Yeah, man, you? So I'm gonna see what will her reaction be to my new look. Hello, how are you? Yes, I did. What's your? Yeah, where's the car, baby? What you like it? What do you think? You know, like. Yeah, but me have to cut it off because it did a break and something. So me have to. You like it? That's a question. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Why you not like it?
Okay, master now.
You like it?
I'm a married man. I'm married to Raquemardon.
You don't like it?
Raquemardon. My wife soon comes, so we can't talk to you.
That is very, very sad, Kim. You don't like it for real?
You look strange.
Yeah, but me also feel like we look different, but yeah, just say I like it.
Look strange.
I mean,
How my wife then?
Yeah, me feel like.
Can I get you?
Yes.
I'm married.
I'm not here.
Nice store.
Thank you.
Brush on his side.
Yeah. Me have a wash it.
That's a low. How many can make you go so low? Anyone go ahead?
All that low as a thinky people. No, it's not good. It just need to curl. Just look how me want to do it.
See, line up his bells, the line up, it looks so nice.
Thank you.
The line up.
So we look alike.
Ah!